Have you ever wondered how a mundane chore could lead to a revolutionary discovery? Picture this: on this day in 1797, while grappling with the tedious task of doing laundry, a curious and inventive mind stumbled upon a groundbreaking idea. It was none other than Nathaniel Briggs, an American inventor, who was struck by inspiration as he watched the relentless scrubbing and rinsing. The repetitive motion and sheer labor led him to conceive a device that would forever change households: the washing machine. His patent, the first of its kind, marked a pivotal moment in domestic life, transforming laundry from an exhausting ordeal to a manageable routine. This seemingly ordinary day, rooted in the simplicity of daily chores, birthed a remarkable invention that rippled through history, easing the burden for countless generations to come.